Oh.
That was pitiful. That wasn't.
Wrong beat. Dang. These are actually louder than the Blair Lake ones.
I got this.
If you see one shaped like a heart, you better make sure you show it to your live. In case she wants to see a heart shaped fireworks.
Well, she ain't gonna see it.
Nah.
I know, right?
Yeah. She ain't gonna see you down here.
I had goosebumps.
Where in the world is Dylan and Katie at?
Oh.
Dylan and Katie?
I tell you, they probably want to.
They probably at the dollar.
Somebody said yell somebody's name.
They're probably at the dollar store.
Well, we should have saw if they was there.
Yeah. And Katie's cell phone, I don't know where it's at.
Well, I thought that was it. I was gonna say, I'm going home for that. We
It
could
ain't
watched
even.
it from our house.
Yeah.
Cause that is so close.
We should watch at the dollar store. Well, we plan on doing it. That's alright. I can see more better here.
And they louder here.
Yeah. Closer you are, the louder they are.
Little girl.
You always getting into trouble, ain't you, Hunter?
I ain't getting in trouble.
Oh, you always get in trouble with little kids or something.
Oh yeah.
I guess that's just you.
Oh, that.
Alright.
Yeah.
I got this. Dang, that's a big one.
Oh, yeah.
Big. You said that was big, ain't big.
I thought it was. Cause it kept on going forever, so.
Zoom.
Damn.
Boop.
That's a big one.
Boom, bam. Bada boom, bop, boom, bop.
Kabam.
No, wait. Bam. Kablam. Nah, I gotta get a bigger one. Gotta get a bigger one. Boom, bam. Bada boom, bop, boom, bop. Bada bam. Kablam. No.
Nah, that's not it.
Boom, I gotta say it again. Boom, bam. Bada boom, bop, boom, bop. Boom, bam.
I think we get the point there, Hunter.
Wait for it.
Kablam.
Oh my god.
Nah. I gotta do it one more time. What, really?
Boop.
Yeah, you know your boots thing.
Yeah.
Dang it, that was like too low, man. That was crazy.
Boom, bam. Bada boom, bop, bop. Boom, bam. Kablam. Yeah. I gotta wait. Gotta get the little one. Gotta get a little one. Boop.
Oh!
Ah, that came right up.
Had to do with that
was
too.
beautiful, man.
But boop. Kablam. I gotta
Boopity
get a little
bop.
one. Come on, little one. Little one. Come on, little one. Who's screaming?
I thought somebody was saying give me ice cream.
Give me an ice cream.
Yeah.
Probably Mylan.
Miles at the dollar store, he probably would say that. I want ice cream, Daddy.
All these people come with drinks, I guess they're saying that.
It's because they smart.
Sorry for spilling your watermelon on y'all.
That don't make no sense.
Alright.
Okay, we get it.
Wow, we've seen it.
We get it. Okay. And.
Want the special encore.
And.
Wow.
Having fun there, Hunter?
I was waiting for.
I swear, if this is the encore, that's...
No.
Never mind. No.
No, it didn't go boom. Yeah.
That hurt my ear.
What?
That hurt my ear.
Oh my god.
No, it didn't.
I was ready to say you are.
Kablam!
I was ready to say
That hurt my ear.
What?
That hurt my ear.
Oh my God.
No, it didn't.
I was ready to say you are.
Kablam!
I was ready to say, Hunter, if that,
Give me a
if
little
that one
one.
hurt
Give
your
me a
ear,
little
that-
one.
Dylan,
No, that's a big
Katie,
one.
where
That's
y'all
a big
at? Back on y'all.
I need a little one. I now shows the big ones.
Wow.
I've always wanted to catch a firework.
Sponsored by the PHT.
If she's back before this is over, I'm gonna start worrying.
PHT.
Kablam!
That'd be have to be Tia's fireworks, man.
Boo.
Where'd you say Elizabeth went?
You went over to Subway, Shaker.
Doesn't they do walk over there?
Yep.
Don't nobody care.
Now,
I
I would have.
guess you don't feel like driving. You ever thought about that?
I wouldn't have walked all the way over there.
I would have drove the
Well,
subway.
I know you would because you have a busted foot, man.
Yeah, I would. Boop.
I would have drove the subway. No, no.
Long walk.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's like
Well,
10 minutes.
Even
Yeah.
though it is just down the street.
10 minutes.
Yeah, but the walking's like 5 or 10 minutes though. That's the difference.
Yeah.
Boop.
If it wasn't a special occasion like this, I would.
That's what that one was.
Stay at a place and go. What?
That was the puppy.
Yep.
That was just
Oh
random.
my God, that was beautiful.
That is another Hello Kitty.
What?
Yeah.
You ever stop with making that sound?
Nope. Because it's funny.
It is. You should cheer him and Josh at the same time.
Josh. I ain't seen Josh.
I didn't see Josh today either. Josh, Lee. Give me that, Josh Lee.
That was pitiful.
Oh.
He's crazy.
Yes.
Very crazy. I've been on that
He's
thing.
getting-
Cameras.
It's really getting boring.
Even Blair Lakes had music to go along with the fireworks.
Well, Conway's is poor.
Yeah. I don't know what Harlan's fireworks is like, but they said they wasn't all that good. About 25 minutes.
How long is this supposed
Ours
to
is
last?
over right now.
I don't know how's ours is.
I lived here pretty much almost all my life, and I still don't know how long it's supposed to last.
Mhm.
It's older. Not really.
No.
That was a big one.
When your eardrums start hurting, then you know it's almost over.
Here comes another one.
Oh! Ow!
Now
Now that one hurt.
Those the weasel.
I'm
Must be
back.
full.
Oh!
Oh my God.
They call you hot fire.
American flag. Where's O'Shea?
what?
Where is O'Shea? O'Shea need to be here right now hearing this.
You all crazy. You all just crazy.
They call me super hot fire. And I'm the fire extinguisher.
I'm sweating in the shade because I'm super hot, boy.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, I ain't never seen nothing like that. I don't think anyway.
I got gags, I got gags. I got gags, I got gags. I got gags.
I bust shots of
Hey.
See, I almost came close to that. It's over.
Because I'm simply blazing.
Oh, here comes a big one.
Oh. Ah, that ain't big.
Nah.
There it is. Oh. There it is. Ow. That hurts.
This is where it starts to get interesting.
No way.
Who that?
Huh?
Never mind. Never mind.
literally thought I was on my face blowing off yesterday.
What's that?
Fireworks. We were watching our fireworks out in Florida.
It's over.
And
I ain't
they were
good.
like, the fireworks exploded before it even got out of the tube.
Dang.
And I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna die. Like it was one of those ones that like go out in every direction.
Mhm.
Not like that. Like, not like that. It's like one like star-shaped sort of.
Mhm.
And it went all over the place. I thought, ow. Anyways, I thought I was on my face.
Uh-oh.
Dang. How?
Wow.
Wait, sounds like a drill sergeant. My dad is Mr. Carroll.
They must be doing something else besides going to
Oh
Subway.
my God.
We all know what that is.
Where?
What?
Where? What you talking about?
Jacob and Elizabeth.
Oh, I didn't know what you. I was like, what are you talking about? I was like,
His
where?
face, man. His face like, what?
He's like, we all know what they doing besides going to Subway.
I'm going home. I'm gonna walk home with my crutches and go home.
That was like a big one.
No, I even knew
For once I was wrong.
PG rated R. PG-13.
4th of July, not St. Patrick's Day.
Ooh.
Who's talking about St. Patrick's Day?
Mostly all of them agree. 4th of July, not St. Patrick's Day.
Hey, they don't always have to be red, white, and blue. Don't be judgmental. Or have to
Well,
smack you.
I was gonna say USA colors wouldn't match the St. Patrick's colors.
Well,
that kind of breaks you a little bit. Unless you just wanted to.
okay, the
I wonder if
judgment
the
will
car
fall
ever
in
got
the
hit
hole
by
or
a
something.
firework. Oh.
I told you they doing something else besides going to Subway.
I don't know, either that or they made a new friend.
Yeah. Wow.
Jeez. Man, that's too close.
Wow, that's a heart.
Yeah,
Oh.
Elizabeth missed it.
Remember that Ricky Smiley thing?
Yeah.
Wait, listen. There's fireworks in the church.
Oh. What now? Well, tell me that's the end. Don't tell me this is the end, man. I ain't been here long. Okay. In the big alley, it's like they're all over.
It's supposed to be louder than this, but that isn't. Oh, never mind.
Heck, it was big.
Boom bam, bada boom bop boom bop. Kablam!
Hunter,
I need a small one.
boop.
One
I
more.
think we get the picture,
One
alright?
small one. I need one small one. Just one. Just
We get,
one.
Hunter, we get the picture, alright?
I need one small one.
Hunter,
That's it.
We get the
I
picture.
only need one.
can you find a way to show him up?
I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think I can
Yeah,
happen.
let's go. Let's go. Right here.
Oh, that just proves. Boop. He's normal.
Dang.
Oh no.
No, I need
I'm
a
not
small
sure really.
In other words, he has no off switch.
one. Come on. Here comes a small one. Let's get this. I'm done. I'm going to sleep. I can't go to sleep. Boop.
Glasses, jacket, and shirt man.
Super hot.
My jacket's to keep me cool.
No, it's just jacket to keep him hot.
Okay,
to keep
okay.
him cool.
Okay, alright.
Alright, y'all, I'm
Glasses
starting
to
to get
see you
worried.
move.
Oh!
Y'all, I'm starting to get worried about those two.